Hi guys, this is Mike. Welcome to my channel 369 Unboxing. So today I have Lenrue A15 portable wireless Bluetooth speaker. So it's available on Amazon for the price of $16. Only $16. So this is nice Bluetooth speaker, and I will show you the features and the performance, the sound, beats, bass, everything. Lenrue A15 Bluetooth speaker, only $16, available on Amazon. So we got in the box one Lenrue A15 portable wireless Bluetooth speaker, a user manual, safety sheet, warranty card, and this is AUX in cable and USB charging cable to charge the Bluetooth speaker. Okay, that's good. So this is the one. Nice, huh? Rubbery sports. Nice. So this is strap for multiple use. So this is power on off button. So this is mode button to switch between your Bluetooth, SD memory card, and aux in connection. Like 3 ways to listen the music. So this is mode button to switch the how to listen the music in 3 ways. This is volume down button. Single press for volume down. If you long press, it skip back to the previous song. Volume up button, same, single press for volume up, and long press to skip forward to the next song. Play pause button, and also if you receive a call, just press one time to receive a call, and if you want to end the call, again hold for 2 seconds to end the call. So this is bass up technology, like bass plus technology, to switch between the bass up and the normal mode, bass up mode and the normal mode. That's nice. Extra bass, it means extra bass. Just you see in the Sony Bluetooth speakers or JBL, extra bass. Nice. Let's see what's in the back. Nice. This is passive radiator for extra bass. So let's see. Okay, so the first one is for micro SD card slot, aux in connection, charging connection, USB charging connection, reset button, and the small one is light for if you charge the Bluetooth speaker, the light blue or red, any color, I don't know which color of light it, that's nice. Totally waterproof. Totally waterproof Bluetooth speaker. 360-degree stereo sound, 24 hours of playtime in single charge. The charging time is 2 hours. That's nice thing. Only $16 Bluetooth speaker. You got 24 hours of playtime and single charge. IPX7 waterproof and dust proof to protect the wireless speaker from dust, sand, and splash water. Rich bass, ultra clear sound. It has dual high performance drivers for the immersive 360-degree sound. Built-in mic for hands-free calling. Nice, for only $16, huh? This is advanced bass up technology to switch between normal mode and bass plus mode. Good. It also have TWS stereo sound. You guys can connect 2 speakers together for big sound, just for theater experience. Nice. Great Bluetooth speaker for $16. It has everything. If you buy like speakers like $100 or $130 or $90, the same function, same features. So it's time to listen the music and check the performance of this Lenrue A15 wireless portable Bluetooth speaker. So let me turn on the Bluetooth speaker and listen to the music.
Bass mode. Normal mode. mode.
No, there ain't no stopping us. Fly without boarding pass. Couldn't catch me, I be moving fast. Call me a shooting star. Let 'em know who you are. Flying up in a bar. Wish on a star. Time to show 'em who's in charge. Call me a shooting star. Didn't even get to cross. I said I'm moving too far. Get to glass. Looking at a shooting star. Got more than a couple of people going mad. I swear they're rooting hard. Said I might be big in the game like she went and got them breast implants. I said I'm moving too fast. Didn't even get a glance. I'm ready to eat up track like I'm seated in a restaurant. If you had swag like mine, you know it's best to flaunt. We aren't hating because you aren't. Shining like it's neon. Rock like kings of Leon. Shooting stars across the galaxy. I stand out, so don't be mad at me. Infiltrate, I'm with my strategy. When I turn up, then I just have to leave. Shooting stars across the galaxy. I stand out, so don't be mad at me. Infiltrate, I'm with my strategy. When I turn up, then I just have to leave. Yeah, shoot, 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 shoot. Yeah, shoot, shoot. Yeah, shoot, shoot, shoot. Yeah, shoot, shoot.
Nice, huh? This is so nice. Bluetooth speaker, Lenrue A15, 360-degree sound, only $16 from Amazon. That's nice deal, huh? 24 hours of playtime, IPX7 waterproof and dustproof, rich bass, ultra clear sound, built-in mic, hands-free calling, advanced bass plus technology, 3W stereo sound. Nice, huh? So nice. So if you like the video, please hit the like button and subscribe my channel 369 Unboxing. Thanks for watching. Thank you.